To update your cash flow statement, you need to know the date on which your orders were paid. However, if you do it with WooCommerce, you would have to spend many hours reviewing this information on all your orders one by one. Therefore, we'll show you how to search for your orders by payment date, and export the filtered orders to a CSV file. Once exported, you can open and edit that CSV file with Excel or Google Sheets. We'll do this using the WooCommerce Orders Spreadsheet plugin. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. If you want to find all the orders that were paid on a specific date, you need to use the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then select the paid date field here. Now select Contains as the operator. And enter the payment date here. You can enter the whole date or search only by year with month, or just year. Finally, run the search, and all the results will be displayed in the spreadsheet. If you want to find all orders paid between January and December 2021, you can do so easily. Just open the search tool, and enable the advanced filters. You'll need to use two payment date filters. In this filter, you need to select the paid date field. Now select the equal or greater than operator. And enter the initial date here. Add another filter, and select the paid date field again. Now select the equal or less than operator. And enter the final date here. Now just hit Run Search, and the orders that meet the search criteria will be displayed on the spreadsheet. Now that you have found the orders you needed, let's create an external database. To do this, we will export the orders we have found to a CSV file using the Export tool. Here, select the columns you want to export. Select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. This is the CSV file containing our filtered orders in Google Sheets. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.